Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Index Insider. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video to analyze for you the SP 500, the Nasdaq 100 and the DXY. So if you are a swing trader, stick with us all here in the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Discord through Patreon. The link of our Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, that the SP 500 here today fall down till here, but it gave us here that nice pin bar here in the 4 hours. So that level us we talking about yesterday, that one here, it's still valid as you see it. Look at it here. It's still very strong level here, that level here. Let me tell you exactly the level. The level is it at 44.32.1. That the level you need to be focused about today if it's going to get broke or not. Because as majority of you know, today is going to come interest rate decision for USA from the Fed. So be careful, guys. It's going to come that Jerome Powell to talk. So be careful very much. Don't try to open any trade at that time. Focus at that level here, what the market is going to do. As you see it, how it started. Like that and like that. Shall we enter long, enter short now? To enter short, if we break in that double top here, as you see it, you see how I draw it? That the first, that the second is a very clear M here. The neckline is it at the level I just been talking about. So if a candle came and do it like that, that means breaking that low which is here, the SP 500 is going to fall down more than that. So be careful, guys. Now let's see our indicator will retain here. Our indicator, as you see, it's very close to touch here the oversold area. So technically you need to look into enter long because level you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Should you enter long now? Not yet, till the market give you here a clear price action. And me I tell it to you yesterday, I told you the market is going to stay or to remain sideways in that level. That's what's happening. We remain all the whole day sideways because majority of the investors, no one want to take the risk at this time because everybody's waiting the Fed interest rate decision. So even you be careful. I don't try to open any trade. Now let's go in to see the coming news for today. So let's go in there. As you see that the news you need to be focused on will pass today. The first one is here. Treasury yield close at more than decade higher as countdown to Fed decision began. That meant Treasury yield they giving us a new high that are telling us why us we seeing everything is falling down. Because of that, you can read all the article if you want me. I just summarize everything for you here. So that the first thing, Treasury yield they give us a new high. Second thing, what is it? Is it here as you see it? The workers of the auto or United Auto Workers Union, they still on strike. You can read everything about it. Me I just summarize everything for you here. The third thing we got Amazon to hire 250,000 workers for holiday shopping rush. That's very good news for yes, economic. Let's make it like that. Another thing, Disney plan to accelerate investment in park. That's very good news. Another one we got, let's see it. Is it the one here? As you see it, Instacart gave up gain after initial pop on debt. And as you see here, you can read all the article, but me I don't want to read everything. And another thing is energy. So I think we summarize everything for you here. Now let's go into see the coming news of today, guys. The coming news of today, guys, as you see it, is it here. We got the CPI data of UK. Then we got crude oil inventory, FOMC economic project, and FOMC statement plus the Fed interest rate decision. And as you see, the forecast here is going to remain how it used to be before. That meant the Fed is going to pause that month. Let's hope if that happening, we're going to see major jump in the SP 500 and in all the stocks. So let's wait in. Plus at 6:30 we got the Fed Jerome Powell president is going to come to talk at the press conference. So even that one you need to be focused about that because it might to affect the market too much. And my advice to you at that time, don't try to open any trade, just wait and let him to yuppie till it finishes. But then picture is too clear. Another thing we got here is that table of us we're looking at it every day. Look at it what it's telling us till now. All US stocks, they are falling down, and I tell it that to you yesterday after Monday candle is closed green. I told you maybe we're going to see a major dump, but everything's still looking great till now. We haven't break too low. We're still in that level I just showed you. Then over here we got our friend the VIX. As you see it, the VIX it's still 14. That means currency is still very low. Also we're still below 20. There is nothing to be worried about. It's just a normal correction. Then after that maybe we're going to go more higher. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the SP 500 doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, in the last video I told you we got here a very clear mega fall like that. Like that's how I've done it before. I told you for you to enter long it's need to break here. And for you to enter short it's need to break here. It's break here, but it gave us here a fake out there. Now it go back inside here. Now you can even make it like that. We still have here the same megaphone here. You can make it like that. And you're waiting where it's going to be broken either here or more down. Me personally, I think it is going to break up because that fake out people they trading with Wyckoff, they know that one here. They know that pattern will give us here the market like that. Now if that one came and breaking above here and doing like that, then breaking that last high which is here, and the market is going to continue upward more. Now what you need to do, you waiting if the market do the same like how is it that pattern here. That means the market is going to go more higher. That for going long. For going short, if the market came down and breaking that last low here, that means here, what happened here is just a correction. Then the market is going to fall down again. So all those things you need to be careful about. And here you can make something like that. You can make a trend line like that. And you wait if it's going to be broken here. You can enter more long. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see it, we touch here the oversold area. That means you need to enter long, but we haven't got a price action here telling us we need to enter long. The only thing now you can make is that trend line here. If it's getting broke here, you can enter more long. So here for the SP 500, if it's breaking here, you can enter long, but not today. Today, as I told you, the news which is coming, try to avoid it, guys. So I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the Nasdaq 100 what they're doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Over here in the 4 hours is only for swing trading. Same thing like the SP 500. That level here, as you see it, we started from here and here. It's still very stronger. I can even tell it to you. The level is at here at 15,134.7. That level you need to focus about it. It's not exactly that number. It's a square like that. You do it like that. And you focus about it. If it's going to be broken, as you see me how I've done it from the close of those candles till the low of that tail of that one, then you focus about it if the market going to give you here a price action or no, that if it's going to reverse upward. Another thing over here, you got a very clear double top like that. You're waiting if the market is going to break down here, you can enter more short. So look at that, how is it? I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, same thing. It started touching here the oversold area level. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Should you enter long? Till the market give you here a price action, or you can focus about that last high, which is here. That one here is going to be broken here. You can enter more long because till now you got here a smaller price action here at that level here. It's getting broke up. You can enter more long, but in 30 minutes it's going to be more clear than here on the 4 hours. That's why me every time I told you go to lower time frames, you're going to get more price actions there. But then picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, same thing like the SP500. Me, I told you here, we got that megaphone here and that level which is here, as you see it. It's need to break up or down here. It gave us here that fake out here, as you see it. Me, I haven't entered in it because I know it today, the news, so me, I haven't entered. I've been waiting all the whole day. Till now, I'm still waiting the market if it's going to break up or no. Because me, I'm thinking it's going to break up for me to enter more long. And another thing here, I show you even that one in the SP500 and here in the Nasdaq. If we break in here, that means the Nasdaq is going to go more higher. But me, I will not wait in that trend line here. Me, I'm focused about that level which is here, as you see it. Exactly here. I can tell it to you. The last high of it is it here at 15,274.4. That the level you need to focus about. You do it like that. It's a square. It's not a level to draw it exactly. You came to that candle here, the high of it and the low here, and you draw in there a level like that. It's not just a horizontal line like that. It's a square, guys. You need to focus it with me like that. First square, you can start it from here at 15,253, and the second one I just tell it to you, but let me tell it to you again at 15,257.4. That the line. So you came to the top one, you draw in there a line like that, a horizontal line. The down one, you draw in there a horizontal line like that. It's going to give you here a square, and that square, the market came and breaking above here, and the market is going to go back up till that level which is here. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now what you need to do here, just wait. And as I told you, there is today very stronger news, so try to avoid to trade at the time of news. But the only thing I can tell you, let's see our indicator was saying. Our indicator, as you see it, also we come in from here, and we got now a very clear divergence here. That one is very low compared to that level, but here in our indicator, that one here, it's very low than that one here. So even here you need to be focused. That way me, I told you, you focused about that level here, that square we got here. You need to focus about it if we're going to break it or no. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go in to see the DXY or US dollar, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar. Over here in the 4 hours is only for swing trading. Me, I told you here in yesterday video, we are here. I told you also we are going to fall down to touch that trend line, and that's exactly what the DXY done. It touched, then it gave us here that pin bar here. Now it's showing as if it's going to go back up. Here now you can draw in something like that, like a smaller flag here. In short time frames, you're going to find it very clear like that. That's meant that one, if it's breaking above here, more going up, and that's what me, I told you in the DXY there is no short unless if also we breaking that white one here, the long term trend. If we don't, there is no entry short. So be focused. Till now there is no entry short. DXY it's still going up more than that. Let's see if the Fed going to reverse it to fall down. At this time there is nothing, so you need to wait more. Let's see our indicator was saying. Our indicator I show you in yesterday, we got that divergence like that, but should we enter short? Tell the price action tell us that. Tell now we don't got any price action here telling us also we need to enter short. Even that smaller trend line, that one here with yellow, till now there is no candle break it down, and every time the market when it falls down to it, it touches, then it reverse. So there is nothing here. You need to wait more and look at that indicator here. Every time when it touching here that wall, it try and it reverse upward. So there is nothing, just wait. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the DXY doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, we got a clear head and shoulder. Before that, yesterday, what me I told you here in 30 minutes, I show you here the channel like that, same thing. It give us here that fake out, but me haven't entered in it because our indicator is touch here the oversold area, so I can enter when the indicator is at the oversold area. That's why me have been waiting. Now here, what we got in 30 minutes, now we got a very clear head and shoulder. I'm not going to draw on top of it for the pictures to get more clear to you as you see it, but the head and shoulder here till now it hasn't broken the neckline over here, so you need to wait until the right time till we're breaking up for you to enter more long, or you can do something else. You can exactly how I'm going to draw it. Me look at it how I started from that peak and that peak. You draw there a line like that and you waiting if the market going to break here in the top or no. So be focused till the right time, but as I told you, not today. Today the news which is coming, don't try to open any trade. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it guys, we touch here the oversold area. That's why me I haven't entered a short, because as I've been talking with you, I told you when it touching here, that's when it's breaking down here. That's why I haven't entered short. Till now the market is showing as if it's going to break upward here. If it's breaking upward here, you can enter more long. And now here it came to the place where is the bulls, the controlling. There is no bears at this time. The XY it's still going up. There is nothing changed that. So I think picture is too clear. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it. Thank you very much my friends. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.